Personally, I think it's healthy. It's a healthy form of communication to just be outright with your feelings.
Hey guys, kamusta ulit? Carlos here from Tipsy Times Pinas. So bago tayo bumalik sa aming naughty adventures,
gusto namin i-shoutout ang Roppongi 128. Isa siyang Japanese-style super club kung saan mabubuhay ang mga nightlife dreams niyo. Kaya punta agad dito sa may Katipunan Avenue, Quezon City lang. And as always, enjoy and party responsibly.
Welcome back again to Tipsy Times Pinas. So, ang topic natin ngayon, ay ba't ka nga pala naka-fan? Mainit ba dito?
Parang hindi naman haggard in the camera.
Ngayon, ang topic natin is about mixed signals. So, madam, what's your say on mixed signals?
If you really like that person, you won't have to do that kasi you have to be. The thing is with our generations kasi we like to do the twists and turns and the nooks and crannies, and then but if you really like that person, you don't have to do that. You're gonna be direct with that person. I think that mixed signals is quite common in our generation. However, hopefully it can be avoided kasi usually I'd like to think of mixed signals as some type of miscommunication lang on both parties. So yeah, that's on the top of my head. That's what I think.
Actually, I'm very glad na girls like you exist here. Kasi karamihan, magagaling sila sa mixed signals eh.
I'm a very straightforward person. When you don't like it, you just say so. Just say so. And I really hate when I don't get that kind of reciprocation.
How about sa mga girls na mahilig mag-mixed signals? What's your say on them? I mean, ba't kaya nila ginagawa yon? Kasi parang nahihirapan nata si guy eh, pag ganun yan.
I think it's something that the girl has to work on. It might also stem din from personal issues eh, yung kung bakit nila ginagawa yung mixed signals na yon. Something na kailangan niya i-work on. It's not an easy feat. It's a process. Kailangan slowly matututo siya sa ganun. And then, makakasanayan niya rin. Pero kasi, yeah, I think it stems from herself din. So, kailangan niyang maayos yung ganun. So,
How about sa ganitong opinion? Kasi na-experience ako nito eh. Parang pag direct ka daw masyado, parang na-judge ka for being direct with a person. What's your say on that?
based on my personal experience, I've also experienced that. I think that sometimes napaka-offending maging straightforward kasi, baka hindi lang sila ganun kasanay with that kind